subject is about restaurants. And there's the C2C logo generated by our team members. We observed several restaurants around DACH, and including traditional Taiwanese restaurants and fast food restaurants and some foreign restaurants. And we decided to analyze it, two of them, the local ones and the fast food restaurants during the C2C methodology. And these are the images our members collected during these days. And this is the image of our group, which used to standardize and evaluate the potential of C2C to those restaurants. Each of them have 7 levels, and it's got 5 big events, and each of them have their own small events. First, we'll talk about the local restaurants. We'll discuss the general phenomenon we observed. First is about food. Local restaurants got their food from local markets or local suppliers. So it costs less energy in the transportation and preservation of food. But the tableware were not pretty good, because lots of local restaurants are using a tableware made from a material called melamine resin. In Chinese is 三聚氰胺树. That's a very nasty stuff, which was reported by some media maybe 1 year ago. And this stuff may release hazardous toxins when heat up. It may be and though it is reusable, it's totally unrecyclable. It can be washed and used again, but it cannot be melted and recycled. And local restaurants are also using some disposal tableware, like cups made by PP, polypropylene, and or some bowls made by PS, polystyrene, and some chopsticks made by bamboo, and some PVC or PE tableware. Most of the disposable tableware ended up in downcycle. And the package is also bad, because they use bags made from HDPE. The energy used for lighting is so-so. They use fluorescent tubes or bulbs in their shops. And the quantity of light depends on efficiency. But some restaurants let the waste heat and waste gas spills directly into the air. This not only pollutes the air, but it's a great loss of energy. Like the equipment was directly exposed to the outer space. That's the energy management was not pretty good. And this is the total ranking of local restaurants. It's got a normal level. And next is the fast food restaurants. We take McDonald's as a paradigm. First is about food and cooking, the energy for cooking. Foods from McDonald's were generated in a central factory, and then it is delivered to its restaurants. So the energy wasted in development and preservation are huge. And the energy waste for cooking is huge too, because it had been cooked twice, in the factory and in the restaurant. And the tableware are very bad, because these are garbage from my breakfast 2 days ago. They cannot be used again. It's disposable. And the package is disposable too. So it's got a very low level. And the lighting, energy wasted in lighting is very high. They use fluorescent bulbs, halogen bulbs, and LED bulbs. But LED just have a very little percentage in their lighting. Over 90% of bulbs are fluorescent lights. And it is open for 24 hours a day and 365 days a year. And this is the ranking of McDonald's. It's not very good. And several references like films or images or papers, data sheets about mass production and recycling of disposable tableware were found on the internet. And tableware and food package is our focus next phase. We're now trying to find some more information about them. And that's all for our report.